Yo, what's up, people? It's Marquis, the coolest nerd, coolestnerd.net, back with another unboxing. This time it's a little bit different. Went out to E3, as most of you guys know, just if you follow on Instagram, a lot of pictures posted from E3. So went out to E3 2018. Had fun, had a lot of fun. Second year going. Didn't get my media pass this year. You know, I'm not at the, I guess I don't meet the requirements as of yet to be able to do that. So didn't get to play some things, you know, got to play a lot of things that I did want to play, but you know, just the stuff that was available to the public. So anyway, this video is not really about that, but it is about E3 because I did get something I really didn't expect to get. I actually didn't know was available. My homeboy guy I went with, Jason, was actually knew about these, and it just so happened we got there in time to be able to, you know, make ourselves available to get them. And what that is the Nike Air Force One. I'm actually not even sure the actual name of them, so I'm just gonna grab them and we'll see, man. It's the Air Force One PlayStation 18 QS. So yeah, I mean, as you guys know, anybody that deals with sneakers, especially Nikes, you got to deal with the sneaker app. You got to go in, you got to, you know, either it's a raffle or you got to try to be one of the first people to click and get your size or, you know, just get the shoe. It gets kind of crazy, man. You end up not even, a lot of times anyway, not getting the shoes that you want. Believe me, I've done it a lot. I'm not as much of a sneakerhead as I used to be. It really gets expensive, so I've been kind of, you know, just picking and choosing what I try to get, and I haven't really had a lot of good luck lately with trying to get exclusive sneakers, but thank God, you know, I was at E3 in LA, which is the only place you could actually get these shoes. You had to be there, get your phone scanned if you had an Android. If you had an iPhone, I think you just had to be at the spot and then you could get them or whatever. So I'm an Android user. And, you know, I had to get my phone scanned by one of the, I guess, Nike reps that were out there. And then it was like, hey, you know, we're going to scan your phone. The next day, you know, you'll get an email. This was actually, it's funny because this was actually Tuesday. And then on Wednesday around 2 o'clock, I'm looking for the email. Actually, all day I was looking for the email. Didn't get an email. Actually got like a notification from the sneakers app saying, hey, the shoes are available. By the time I realized, you know, what was going on, I'm clicking it. All of my, you know, my sizes is gone. All the good sizes, you know, that I could wear were gone. So same thing for my homeboy. So we missed them on Tuesday. They sent another notification though saying that the sizes would be available again tomorrow, which was Thursday, which was actually the last day of E3. Just so happened we were up really, really early. Trying to get some early access VIP tickets for the line, and 6 o'clock a.m. they sent a message. It was crazy because the message the day before said it was going to be at 2 p.m. again. Ended up being at 6. I happened to look at my phone, saw it, click, got the shoes. My boy did the same thing, so we came out really, really good. I guess, you know, a little bit of luck, but I mean, I guess that's really what you need. But again, you know, I'm gonna get into this unboxing, man. I just got them today, and this is the Air Force One PlayStation 18 QS. These are going at resellers on like eBay for like $700, man. They cost $200, you know, plus tax, but I don't see myself getting rid of them, man. So let's see. I mean, it's just a normal Nike box, not the orange one, of course, but a little off. I don't know, a little dark gray, maybe. Kind of. It's not black. I know it probably looks that way on the screen, but just a you know, silver finish Nike Air Force One symbol on the top. Looks like I got some, I don't know what that is, metallic something on it. Anyway, so this is what they look like, man. Inside, and they're all leather. The photos really don't do them justice, and really probably how you're seeing them doesn't do them justice either. Some extra little thread there, but it's full leather. It's got like this is like a bubble. So this is actually like an air bubble. The Nike check is protruding from the shoe, and it actually has the PlayStation symbols in it. You know, the square, triangle, X, and circle in there, and you can actually see that on the back as well. And of course, it's like that metallic blue, super nice, man. The tongue, the Nike Air Force One is black, so it's black on black, but it's obviously like glossy, and it's raised, so it's like protruding. And I don't know if you caught it, but these are some dust collectors for sure. But this little portion right here is a patent leather, so you know you got your full leather shoe and you got your patent leather right there. Not really sure why they did that, but it's pretty cool. I mean, I didn't see it, you know, like I said, in the photos and things like that, but I mean, it's just ridiculous, man. And you can see like the symbols are in silver on the back. And then it's got the translucent bottom. Not ice, definitely translucent. But it has the symbols on the bottom of the shoe too to set it off. So it would kind of suck wearing them really outside because that's going to get dirty for sure. I don't know when or if I'm going to wear these. I know at some point I will, I'm sure. But yeah, this is actually the right shoe. Probably wear these at PSX this year in December. I don't know that I'm going to wear them before then. If I do wear them to PSX though, and I think me and my homeboy actually discussed this, I'm not going to wear them all day, man. PSX, E3 is a lot of walking. You don't want to be walking around and creasing up your limited edition Air Force Ones. And I don't know. Oh, okay. This one inside, actually, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it or not. But this one inside has the regular Nike Air in blue. But this one, a little bit different. Same, you know, features as the other one. Got the raised up checks and everything, swooshes. But inside this one, it has the PlayStation symbol in blue. You know, again, I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. And I mean, same shoe. You know, when I turn it around, I mean, you see everything the same, except, you know, it's got the patent leather, same thing. But the back of this one has the PlayStation symbol on it. Logo, PlayStation logo. I use symbol, logo, whatever. System, console, it's all the same. So, legit shoe, man. Like, really ridiculous. They're comfortable. I haven't worn an Air Force One in a while. I do have, I don't know, at least one pair for sure of Lows. And these are super comfortable when you put them on. I actually thought the check or swoosh would be like hard. Because I knew it was protruding, but I thought it would be hard. I didn't know it was going to protrude that much either, which is pretty nice touch. But it's actually, like I said, it's like a bubble material. A little bit softer than what an air bubble is actually, because, you know, the air bubble's pretty stiff. Can't really push it in, but the back of it right here and the swoosh has that same bubble feel. So, yeah, man. So, that is the Nike Air Force One PlayStation 18 QS. No idea. Oh, Quick Strike. I'm assuming is what the QS stands for. So, that whole thing I was talking about with LA and being in the spot, it's what they call a Nike stash, something they started, I think, about a year ago, if I'm not mistaken. And this is one of those things. So you got to be in that spot to be able to get them. So these are extremely limited. Yeah, it's one of those times you can really say, hey, you had to be there. It's crazy, man. It's really, really crazy. Glad I got them. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's Marquis, the Coolest Nerd. Y'all check us out on thecoolestnerd.net. Stay tuned to the YouTube channel. Stay tuned to Instagram, Twitter, at The Nerdiest Cool. And oh yeah, man, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Matter of fact, like, subscribe, or comment this video I actually got a couple of E3 Coolest Nerd exclusive shirts. I'm gonna spin around and grab one real quick. And again, these are exclusive Coolest Nerd t-shirts, E3 2018. You can check the back. It's got the coolestnerd.net, hashtag We Are Gamers. And then I got the front. It's got the E3 on there, TCN, Coolest Nerd. Even got the Coolest Nerd in Japanese, man. It's pretty crazy. So, got these. I'm going to do a giveaway. I got 2 of them left. So, like, comment, subscribe. I'll do this till Thursday so I can get it shipped out. So, you know, no cost to you, man. Just, you know, let your friends know. Watch the video. If you like it, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll pick a winner, 2 winners, and I'll send out those shirts to you, man. But I appreciate you watching. Till next time, shut up and play.